Wow, what a fantastic meeting. ONET is complete. There will be 2 to 3 months of soft launch. Every portfolio product that we have has a team working on it. Every 3 weeks, we will see a new feature added. This is called a sprint pay plan. This is not a matrix. It is bigger and better than anything anyone has ever seen before. A strong legal team is handling everything, including merchants and commission payouts. On the 24th of December, everything was confirmed by our lawyers. There are going to be a lot more policies, and founders will have to sign it because Onpassive needs to protect privacy, business and personal information. Onpassive has had to up their legal game because of the size of the company. The legal battle is not over. It is ongoing, and being handled. Our attorneys will attend webinars as needed. They will all also be displayed on the website, for all to see. They will go after anyone who gives out false information about Onpassive. They are also handling the IP and patents. Onpassive is a serious legal company, backed up by professional attorneys. Soft launch will be expected and approved by attorneys. With the soft launch, we are going to play around and be compensated. In 2021, Onpassive will operate. We are going into business. Onpassive will continue developing products and adding them to our portfolio. This all adds value to the company. The product value and the business value has changed, and so has Mufareh's attitude. He has become bolder and bolder. The products are disruptive and will bring in billions. The products will be filling our tank. They are connected to the creativity and being able to leverage. There will be extra income, split and shared amongst founders. Some products are complete, and others will be completed within weeks. There is a schedule, and they are on track. Mufareh has bigger compassion and passion than ever before. While we are in soft launch, we will be testing products. Academy will be ready in February 2021. This product works hand in hand with OConnect, OCapture, OCreate and ODoodle. The integration of Onpassive is incredible. We are going to shake up the internet. There will be another event in Hyderabad. Once the building is complete, we are growing at 2,000 to 3,500 new founders joining most days, and we now have over 400,000 founders. India represents 177k, 44% of the market. Congratulations to India. There will be another founders only meeting, probably on the 31st of December. We will be notified. Soft launch is going to be better than expected. Some founders will want to stay in the soft launch. Every founder will be a hero. Maths, most of the money has not been touched. The company has to profit between 20 and 25%. 400k by 25% is for company profit to pay for expenses. Why would run away with the money when there is the potential to do so much better? He cannot put a value on the relationship he has formed on the journey. A new payment method will be available in the next few weeks. New financial staff manager, Sonalisa, has over 18 years experience from Cisco, and 10 new support team members instated. They are working on the backlog of support issues. Every issue will be resolved. Do not worry about it. Don't focus on the small things. Look at the bigger picture. Regarding company compliance and registration, everything will be resolved and tied in to be compliant in every country. We are taking the time now to do it right, so as to avoid any issues later. It is a wide range. We will be doing good for the economy and encourage everyone to pay their taxes in every country. We have the ability to give back through Bless. At the beginning of the soft launch, we will have about 12 products, and as we roll out, before the end of the soft launch, all products will be completed and tested. The first benefit of the founder is to have a position in the company and proprietary positioning in the pay structure. According to the date and size of the team, every founder will need to be verified. After that, the account gets activated. There will be a fair window of time to set up the wallets. You can have multiple accounts in the wallet. We will then use the products. We will work together to activate every founder. We will agree on a universal time for launch. A founder member position is valid for 1 year from launch. Thereafter, you have an option to renew your founder position at $997, which will come out of commissions earned. Once we launch, marketing campaigns will drive more traffic to you, to add customers under you, and could even be a company signing up. If a founder cannot afford to pay to activate their customer reseller account, they will have a grace period of 30 to 60 days or 6 months. This will be decided in a meeting with the Leadership Council. 3 and break even, is what we have been saying, but whichever way they get their 3, there will still be commission within the 3 if you haven't anyone in your account, but activate your account, there will be a little bit extra. There is a sign-up bonus or extra funds in your wallet and a 3 sign-up bonus. Onpassive will advertise on TV. Paid advertising is the core of Onpassive. When we launch, mainstream media, podcasts, business, social media, recruitment and employment websites, billboards, video marketing, email marketing, banner ads, every digital option will be used. Marketplaces of Onpassive will be another source of income. There is not a fixed number of income sources. We will continue adding if there is a way to increase your income. There are months of interviews in magazines and TV channels lined up, including the BBC. One of the best decisions and blessings was to attract Malek Modi. Onpassive cannot disclose everything. We are set and scheduled to launch. Understand that sometimes, it is not a delay, but rather a change of strategy, and that is why we did not launch, even though we could have. We are on time. If you look at the building, which we only occupied a month ago, we will go into soft launch in the next week or 2 weeks and we will officially launch in 2021. About 2 months after soft launch, Mufareh said, "I do not know an exact date yet. If I know, I will tell you." News: a jumbo aircraft crashed and 161 people were eaten by alligators in the swamp near Florida, USA. Why? Because the captains tried to help change a light bulb. Stop looking at the smaller picture, look at the bigger picture. We want to ensure a safe journey, and everyone will arrive safely if you are in Onpassive. We are a family who loves and cares for each other. Thank you.